Alright, hey there, how we doing, Veve and Ecomi community? It is OhmDawg coming at you with another Veve price action update. Today we are going to jump into the comic book drop coming to us here in a few hours, and then we will jump into the marketplace and see what's happening there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and throw up the disclaimer, and we will see you on the other side. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Trading with money involves risk, and I'm not responsible for any decisions you make based off this information. Alright, it is 2:35 a.m. We're going to go ahead and jump over to the Veve Twitter real quick and take a look at the new comic drop here in a few hours. So we have the Amazing Spider-Man number 50. It's very cool. Haven't done my research on this yet. But one of the most iconic Spider-Man stories, Spider-Man No More. Okay, I think I saw the tweet that said F.A. Kingpin, I believe. So we have our common right here, and this is a really old comic as well, so it's obviously very significant as well, having an F.A., but an oldie as well. That's what kind of catches my eye, and we have two Veve exclusive editions, the black and white sketch and the full color sketch, and the rare and ultra rare editions. But we have our uncommon right here, which is just a Spider-Man fade colorway, our pencil sketch rare, and our full color ultra rare, and our secret rare. Very cool. Interesting. So this drops here soon on the 19th of October, so today at 8 a.m. Pacific time, 11 Eastern. This was published in 1967, and there's 30,000 editions, so another 30k edition. I think we're going to maintain that throughout this period as we continue these comic book drops. So very cool to see. I want to say I've had some luck on the Amazing Spider-Man drops. I'll show you all in a second. Well, let's go ahead and jump over to the Veve app, and we will go to the markets. Okay, there's Spider-Man. Okay, so let's check on this said mid-October. We're at, I guess, a little bit past mid-October. Interesting. Probably pretty soon when we will get that 007 drop. But over in the collectibles, I'm going to show y'all the luck I've had with these Spider-Man comics. Everything was within this whole Spider-Man comic book collection was all packed. So day one on the Amazing Spider-Man number 1 had everything through the ultra rare, which was awesome. That was crazy. And then the Spider-Man 361, we got the ultra rare there as well. So we've had some luck on the Amazing Spider-Man, so I have high expectations for this drop tomorrow. But let's go ahead and go over to the marketplace right now. One thing that did catch my eye in the comic book marketplace was Tales of Suspense number 8. Here it is. The rare is currently trading at $80, which is crazy for a rare. I mean, in my opinion, this is not financial advice, but that is a great buying opportunity for a rare comic, in my opinion. What is Jim going for right now? 16. We are definitely seeing some comic movements as well. X-Men going back up towards $20. I remember when that comic dropped, it was just like, it stayed at 40 for a second, which is crazy. I think that was a time when we had a lot of new people on a drop at once. New Mutants at 12. Thanos rare going for 90. But yeah, Tales of Suspense, that's Black Widow FA, and that rare is pretty cool as well. So that's what caught my eye specifically. Oh yeah, I forgot I did pack Ultimate Fallout rare as well, so I had luck with Miles Morales as well. So Spider-Man's just he's awesome, and I guess he he's like he's a it's a lucky pack, I guess. Um, Marvel Comics #1. This is probably, yeah, this is definitely going to make its way back above the 200 area. It bottomed out at about 140 last week, so that is interesting as well. But over on the collectible side, don't pay attention to that. I'm gonna have to block that out so no one gets to that. I just realized that, but it's an auction, and I'll tell y'all what it is after the fact if I win it or not. But if y'all see it, I know y'all are gonna run it up on me, so I can't show it to you. Let's see, Blossom back above 100, and that means Buttercup is probably trading above 150 as well. Throg, I think he should be making his way, yep, back above or leveling at 60. Enterprise, I think it bottomed out, or it is going to bottom out here soon and start trading higher above in the 300s very soon, actually, considering that our other two vehicles, not counting the No Time to Die spy drone or glider, our DeLorean and Ecto-1 are both making a move as well. If I can get to those real quick. Back to the Future. The DeLorean should be trading above 400, which is crazy because there's 12,000 editions of those, which means there's definitely a little bit more popularity there within the DeLorean and Back to the Future versus Ghostbusters, which I could see. I feel like Back to the Future is definitely a tad more iconic in its time, but still Ghostbusters being a heavy hitter. It will soon be, above 400. It's only very soon. Our vehicles have always been slept on, so it's pretty crazy, especially since there's only so many editions of this Ecto-1. But that'll soon make its way to the upside. What is another thing that caught my eye? Let's check on Todd real quick. How's he doing? 1.8. Still waiting to buy Todd. I know he will dip down again, because he has 7,500 editions. Let's go ahead and check up on our most recent drop real quick. Harley Quinn Uncommon. This should be, I haven't checked on it today at all. 103, yeah. So if anything below 90, I'd say is a solid buy for those. I want to just show Captain America as well. Where are you at, man? Look at the disrespect on Cap, below 500. He's been a selling piece for sure. When Veve tweets, he usually goes right on the marketplace. So that's pretty crazy to me personally, being he is I think only 2,500 or less editions. And that whole FA foot is still sort of around that. Pretty wild. I still have one. I'll probably sell it around 1,000 or 1.2 or something when it makes its way back up. We know it will break probably 1,000 within this next collectible bull run that we will see. But that's pretty much it and all I have for everybody today. We just wanted to jump out of the markets today and go over the drop, what we have coming to us in a few hours. I'm sure we have another comic book drop on Thursday and then a collectible on the weekend, unless we have some surprises from David Yu himself. So with that being said, everybody, this is OhmDawg coming at you with another Veve price action update, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.